In this video, we're going to be showing you how to easily move your music into a folder on your MacBook. So whether you're organizing your downloaded songs or cleaning up your desktop, this is a simple process that can be done just by following these steps. So first, what you're going to have to do is simply figure out where your music is. So if you downloaded it from Safari or Chrome, it's probably going to be in your downloads folder. But if you saved it by yourself, maybe it's hanging out in the desktop or somewhere else. So simply open up Finder, which is the smiling face icon on your dock, and go to the location where your music files are. So from there, you then need to create a folder to drop them into. So simply go to the place where you want your folder to exist, then right click and select new folder. And you'll then be able to give it a new name, like My Music or Bangers Only, whatever vibe you're going for. Then simply go back to the window with your music files, click once on a song and select it. Or you can also hold down the command key and click multiple songs to select more than one. And once they're selected, you then have to drag them over to your new file and drop them in. And that's it. So that's how to move your music into a folder on your MacBook. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.